Hi, I am Camilla Blossom. I'm an author, a land alchemist, a soul midwife, and I am coming to Santa Cruz, California. And I'll be doing a book reading of my new book, The Sacred Spirits of Gaia, co-creating a new earth with the fairies, elementals, ancestors, and spirits of land. I'll be doing this free book reading at the Capitola Library on February 11th, followed by a workshop on Sunday to tune into the sacred spirits of Gaia, work with the land. I know Santa Cruz has gone through a lot of flooding and storm devastation. And so it seems like a perfect time. It wasn't planned, but a perfect time to come and do our ceremony, offer our prayers, connect with the unseen realms, open to our relationships with nature and those realms to really connect in a deeper way to our journey here on Mother Earth, Gaia. So I hope to see you there, and have a beautiful day.